Join me on part 2 as I show you even more wildlife. Here's a little dried out ditch or something. Let's see if we can find anything down here. Some deer tracks. Oh. Not very big logs to turn over down here. Slug. I'm gonna head on now. This little guy. Another little seasonal pond or ditch. Let's see what we can find. Not any very great logs to be looking under. I like to look under ones that are laying flat on the ground for best results. There's a slug hiding there. Always turn your log back over. Disturb nature as little as you can. Lots of wildflowers out today. Here's some wild chicory. Oh, this one's really blue. There's a little insect in there pollinating it, or he just flew away. Lots of deer tracks along this trail. I'd wanted to show you today how to make plaster casts of footprints, but I forgot a container to mix the plaster in.